Peerless kitchen faucets come in a variety of styles, but all are very simple to install on your own. While they can be used in many different situations, this video will demonstrate installing a single-handle kitchen faucet with the side sprayer on a counter with an undermount sink. Our faucet requires 3 holes at 8 inches apart, with the 4th for the sprayer assembly. There are a few tools and supplies that you will need to assist you with installing the faucet. You will need an adjustable wrench, a tube of silicone, and water supply hookups for 1/2-inch IPS connections. Each model comes with different assembly parts, but for this model you will find the faucet, gasket, nuts, and the spray assembly and support. Be sure to read all of the printed instructions found in the box. Before you begin your installation, you will need to shut off all water supplies and remove the old faucet, which we have already done. Make sure you have a clean area free of debris. Now to begin, first attach your faucet and spray support. The faucet we're installing has a fixed escutcheon, with the gasket seated under the escutcheon. Make sure all fittings and end connections are free of debris. Faucet connections are 1/2-inch IPS fittings. Secure the supply hoses to the faucet connectors. Place the faucet on the sink. Make sure the gasket is seated properly and the escutcheon is centered and parallel to the wall or backsplash. If the deck surface is rough or uneven, use silicone under the gasket. Screw the lock nuts onto the threaded shanks of the escutcheon and tighten securely by hand. Mount the spray support in the far right hole of the sink and secure by hand tightening the lock nut. Insert the sprayer. Then align the tabs on the quick connects and push the sprayer's connection firmly upward to snap it onto the receiving tube. Pull down lightly to ensure the connection has been made. Next, attach the water supplies. Secure the metal nut on the faucet supply hoses to the supply valve connection and hand tighten. Then tighten 1 additional revolution with the wrench. Make sure you do not over-tighten. Repeat for the other hose connection. Make sure the tube with the hot label is connected to the hot supply valve, and the other tube is connected to the cold supply valve. Now flush the water lines. Turn on the hot and cold supplies and remove the aerator from the faucet. Turn the faucet to the full open position and flush the lines for 1 minute. Check that there are no leaks at the connections. Then turn the water off and reinstall the aerator. Last, check the sprayer assembly. Following all of these steps will ensure a proper and secure installation, allowing you to enjoy your Peerless faucet for years to come.